It's February 11th, 2025. I'm in Death Valley. I'm on the northwest side of Tucki Mountain in a canyon called Stretched Pebble Canyon or Stretched Pebble Conglomerate Canyon. Don't remember which one it is. And in the distance, you can see on the skyline the northern Panamint Range. That's the very southern end. And Immigrant Wash is in front of that. And kind of looking to the north right now. And I stopped here to take some more pictures, make a little video of the Stretched Pebble conglomerate. And you can see there in here where my finger is, there's a big one, some smaller ones. And these are called Tillites. And Tillites are derived from icebergs that pick up bedrock, on land or in the shallow marine, scrape it up from the shallow marine bed, and then move them out into deeper water conditions. And then the base of the iceberg melts and drops the rock into usually clay or mudstone rocks that are out in the deeper water. So they're very diagnostic because of the kind of very extreme size difference here. You've got boulders in some places deposited with mud all around it. These deposits were laid down in the Cryogenian from about 600 million to about 700 million years ago, during a period that's referred to as, or not really a period, but a episode that is the Snowball Earth. And that's when the Earth became pretty much covered in ice, or at least down to the equator. It might have been kind of like a slushy snowball down by the equator. And these icebergs, moved around in the various marine conditions, dropping these rocks. And you find them around the world of this age. So it's a pretty well-known feature kind of worldwide, the Cryogenian and the Tillites associated with it. Now, just above me on the right-hand side of the canyon are some orange beds, and that's the overlying or younger Noonday Dolomite. Now, that's carbonate rich. These would, so they were deposited when the atmosphere had, and seawater had plenty of CO2 floating around to incorporate. These deposits, on the other hand, probably represent a period when CO2 levels in the atmosphere, at least, and probably the oceans too, were extremely low. And that's what brought on, or one of the factors that brought on the glacial period. Pretty nice place to hike. It's about, an hour and a half walk from Highway 190. Highway 190 is just down the canyon there, and I'm a little bit to the west of Mosaic Canyon, which is a real popular place for visitors. That's near Stovepipe Wells, if you know the area a little bit. Anyway, it's either Mosaic Canyon if you want an easy hike or easier hike, or you can come over here to this Stretched Pebble Conglomerate Canyon, and it's pretty much cross country from 190, but it's a beautiful canyon.